welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. As Cyclone Yas made landfall in North Odisha around 10:30 am on Wednesday, strong winds and heavy tides lashed several coastal towns and villages on either sides of Odisha and West Bengal border, roaring into low-lying areas and uprooting trees and claiming at least 4 lives in Odisha and 4 lives in West Bengal. More than 1 crore people were affected in the state of West Bengal due to the cyclone. More than 3 lakh houses and 134 embankments were damaged. Yas is the second cyclonic storm to hit India within a week after Taute tore into its western coast, causing death and destructions. The Indian Meteorological Department classified Yas as very severe cyclonic storm. Cyclone Yas made landfall around 9 am near Dhamra Port in Odisha on Wednesday with heavy downpour, gusty winds pounding the coastal areas of Odisha and West Bengal. Cyclone Yas, packing winds up to 130 to 145 kilometers per hour, whiplashed the country's eastern coast on Wednesday, dumping heavy rain, damaging houses and farmlands. The landfall process was over around 1:30 p.m. In the view of cyclonic storm, around 21 lakh people were evacuated to safe shelters in West Bengal, Odisha and Jharkhand. Around 120 villages across the coastal region of the Odisha state remain flooded after the cyclonic storm hit. Most of these affected villages are in Balasore and Bhadrak districts. Nearly 600 roads have been damaged. Meanwhile, Odisha shifted 5.8 lakh people to the safer places, while West Bengal moved 15 lakhs people ahead of the cyclone. At East Midnapore, that is surrounded by 6 rivers and the Bay of Bengal, the biggest evacuation operation was carried out with close to 3.9 lakh people being rescued in 2 days and put up at 2,000 flood centers and temporary shelters. The district also suffered the maximum devastation with villages around Digha, Mandarami, Tajpur, Chandpur, Kotai, Khejuri and Nandigram flooded, damaging shops and houses. Several seaside hotels were also severely damaged and some of their staff had to be evacuated by disaster management teams. Ground floors of the multiple flood centers at Kotai and Ramnagar where rescued people were kept had also got flooded. The storm, which weakened during the afternoon, had left the coastal states on edge, with the Bengal government claiming that at least 1 crore people have been affected by the calamity thus far as it moves its destruction path towards the Jharkhand. Jharkhand already is on high alert state, continued evacuating low-lying areas amid the forecast that the cyclone would be hitting the state by midnight. In Bangladesh, over 2 million individuals were ordered to be evacuated in coastal areas of the country due to the storm's approach. The cyclonic storm Yas weakened into a deep depression over southern Jharkhand and adjoining Odisha, according to the Indian Meteorological Department. As cyclone Yas weakened into deep depression over southern Jharkhand, Ranchi received about heavy showers on Thursday morning. It was the second very severe cyclonic storm of 2021 North Indian Ocean cyclonic season. It was formed from the tropical disturbance that the Indian Meteorological Department first monitored on May 23rd. Conditions in the basin favored the development of the system, became a deep depression later that day before intensifying into the cyclonic storm on the next day, receiving the name Yas. The system further intensified as it turned into the northeast, becoming a severe cyclonic storm on May 24 despite moderate wind shear. Marginally favorable conditions further continued as Yas accelerated northeastward, strengthening to a Category 1 equivalent tropical cyclone and to a very severe cyclonic storm on May 25th. Yas crossed the northern Odisha coast around 20 kilometers south of Balasore as its peak intensified as a very severe cyclonic storm between on May 26th. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.